You asked. I'm hopefully going to answer. We'll see. Hi friends, welcome to Tuesday's video, which will roll into Thursday's video. Yes, I've been wanting to do this one for quite a while, but life kind of got in the way, and anxiety about it got in the way. Quite a while ago, Dark Frogs NZ sent me one of these wind chimes molds, and they sent me, so I already had this one which has the swirly sun on it, and they sent me this one with the moon, so I'm so excited about that. So one of the biggest questions that I get on my video of the swirly sun is, how the hell do you put it together? I don't know. That's what we're going to figure out on Thursday. So come along with me as we pour this mold. I had my housemate's daughter pick out her colors. She has chosen violet opal glitter. Very pretty. This is the pink opal. Gorgeous. And my favorite, which is, yeah, not very much left of it, sky blue opal. These are from Resin. As always, everything will be listed in the description down below. So, we're just going to do clear with the glitter. And then Thursday, hopefully, keep your fingers crossed, Thursday, I will have a video up of me assembling this thing. The mold does come with some directions, but, I mean, they're not really the greatest directions. So, we'll see if I can do it. And I have looked online. No one else has posted how to do it either. So hopefully this will be a video that lots of people will come and watch. Not this video. Thursday's video will be a video that lots of people come to watch when they purchase this and need to figure out how the hell to put it together. Okay? Alright, let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I received this mold from my housemate's mother. It's a rose. I'm really excited to see how it looks. Oh, it's matte. Ooh. Okay, yeah. That's super pretty. What do we think? That's gorgeous. So what I would probably do with this, since it is matte, is just brush on a little bit of clear resin, just to kind of shine it up. But man, is that pretty. There's a little like rosebud right there on the end. So yeah, that's today's bonus unmolding. Very pretty. Alright friends, shall we demold? I must say, while I was pouring this, I got strong Lisa Frank vibes. I'm sure those of you who are around my age can also tell why I say that. Very nice. This glitter is gorgeous. I'm just doing these boring ones first. Okay. I love these little molds because you can do so much more with these than just, you know, the wind chime. Like, they would make really cute keychains, you know. Alright, so there's all of those. It's still a little bit bendy because I just poured it last night. Very pretty. And then this is what I was really excited to see. Oh yeah. That's so pretty. So yeah, that's today's video. Come back on Thursday where I will hopefully have a video putting all of this together. I'm excited to see how it turns out. So yeah, check back on Thursday. Definitely subscribe, like the video if you like it, all that jazz. And yeah, I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.